Well, just coming back from a dog-filled house. Trying to drive while sneezing, or nearly sneezing. Not the easiest thing to do. Mum offered me antihistamine, which I refused. For obvious reasons. Of course, now I'm on the motorway, so a good old I should sneeze. The perfect way to drive. So, well, that's certainly not what I'm after. I would want to have to do. Would be to stop that. Touch it. Queue of cars in front of me. With a truck right at the front, slowing us all down. And it's raining again. And this is quite dangerous. I can't help sneezing. The cars are slowing down in front of me. But that's okay. I managed it. Of course, I would want to have all this for finally home.